Okay, here we are having 5 websites relevant to machine learning and data science, and we are going to illustrate each one by one. So first one is, are you worthy anything? Okay, then so I am fine. It is going to type anything, and it will just give the that school. What are you doing? I am studying. The name of this website is jabirweki.com. Okay, I'll give the description in the bottom list, and the link of the website, and it is very much useful for data science and machine learning. So what are you studying? A novel. I'm going to type this. I'm going to study this novel. Okay, so you think I seem to be novel? Okay, so it is going to communicate with you people, like you are chatting with someone. Second one is Cleverbot, and it is going to communicate with you again, that it is having I am sad. Suppose you type I am sad, so it will give the relevant answer. This is fun, share. So I am poor. Let's say it is going to, oh, I am sorry. I am I have lot of money. Okay, so it is going to give the answer. So I have heard, and so on. And the third website to visualize your word, your numerical value in between 0 to 9, as you have seen in this field, that the first net is, suppose I'm going to draw number in my mouse and this pen top, that the first guess is 2 and the second guess is 3. So of course it's a bad choice. Now try one more time. I'm going to write 3 using this. So first guess is 3, second guess is 3. Using this convolution letter is going to describe the convolution letter layer 1, filter 3, unit 463, and so on. So each layer, each neuron is having certain. So this is going to description everywhere. And the fourth website is going to define the rock paper scissors game. So we are going to play the game with the computer. Like first one I am going to play, this one is my side and this one is the computer side, and I am going to randomly I am going to play the game. The computer is going to win every time. He is optimize his chance and so on. So it is going to have so many rounds, and the AI, you are better than this, are you talking to me, and so on. Okay, so you predicting the next step of the human. Okay, the fifth website is for experiment, and whatever I am going to write here, so it is having the prediction capacity of the next word. Okay, so tremendous, I'm going to write n. So using so many data and huge data in given input in this figure, they are having prediction capacity to predict anything. Okay, so I'm going to write, suppose B E C A, now U, now S, now E. It is going to predict E because it's having certain spelling. So these 5 websites are here very useful for machine learning and data science itself. Thank you.